What's good, YouTube? So it's your girl Angie, and today I'm gonna be showing you a little, not simple but cute little extra makeup look and something to wear for Valentine's Day. So let's get right into the video.
You and me will always be tight, memory every single day and night. Even when you start to acting like a fool, you know I'm loving every single thing you do.
I already did my eyebrows because eyebrows are boring to watch. So the palette that I'm using today is the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. This palette is everything. And before I do that, I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty, what is it? Pro Filter. Fenty, where you at with that album? She need to hurry up with that damn album. Nobody got time to wait. It's 2019 already. Shit. I need me some Rihanna music. If you know me, like if you know me, you know how much I love Rihanna. I'm not gonna do anything extra today. We'll see how this turns out. So I just pat that all around. That's what I like to do. Let me pull out my other palette, the Warrior by Juvia's Place. So the first color that I'm going to use is Kano. So y'all seen how everybody was mad about Cardi winning the fucking Grammy? Y'all really mad. How y'all mad that she on the come up? She used to be a stripper on Love and Hip Hop and now she on top. And y'all just hating on her. For what? For what? Her whole album was bomb. Nobody can say anything different. Nobody can say anything different. Let's put that everywhere. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this color. What color? I'm going to use this pink color in the Zulu palette. Just like that everywhere. You see that? You see that pigmentation, bitch? Yes. And now I'm going to use this purple color right here. My outer corner. In the crease part. So it looks like so far. You know, I like to use my finger sometimes because watch. Okay, this is really not gonna be simple. I lied. My problem with makeup is, and eyeshadow definitely, is I need to learn how to blend. So y'all on the journey with me, learning how to do my own makeup. I'm gonna add some yellow at the top there. Ooh, what I like to do too is, I think a lot of people do this though, so it's not like I'm telling you anything different, but this glitter right here, shiny, but I like to put that right under my brow bone so my brow can be out there popping. And one thing you'll see me doing is using my fingers a lot. Oh, fuck. Makeup wipes to the rescue. There, it's off. Now, these things smell good. Add some more of that glitter. And now, blend it out with your clean fingers with no eyeshadow on it. Don't mess up like me, y'all. And now I'm gonna add a little bit of this orange right here in this top corner. Where'd it go? Right up there. I think I'm popping. And I ain't done. And I'm not even done. Like, come on. These right here are my holy grail. Cause you know, some eyeshadows just don't come out how you want them to, but these Stila liquid eyeshadows, they be having your fucking face popping. And I don't even know which color to use. Should I use Into the Blue or Enchantress? I'm gonna be a little simple today. Cause at first I said it's gonna be a simple look, but I'm adding purple and pink to my fucking eye. It's kind of hard to do this on camera. Damn. Okay. I know I got a little mirror around here somewhere. That's what I'm gonna use because my mirror is too far. So what I like to do, start. And what you're gonna do after this is you're gonna take a brush, a blending brush, and blend it out before it completely dries. Cause once it dries, bitch, you out of luck. Actually take your finger first and pat it. You see that glitter? Yes! I'm gonna finish this eye and then I'm gonna do this eye off camera. Now, what I like to do, foundation, Fenty Beauty foundation, this right here. It looks like, on camera it looks like it won't match, but we'll see. I have 430, that's my shade. Matched myself, so if there's anything wrong, blame me. And I like to put it on my face like this. Not like when I pump it though, I don't like do the full pump. And then one on my nose. Then I take my foundation brush. Where is this from? Japonesque. Japonesque. I don't have liquid concealer, so, and I'm gonna buy some, but as of now, this is what I'm dealing with. The Fenty Stick Concealer Matchstick in the color Suede. The only bad thing about this for under eyes, definitely because I don't use powder either, is it creases really bad. And what I like to do is I go like this. It's really bad creasing. Ooh. And then I put it on the bridge of my nose. Right up there on that big forehead. My chin. And on my cupid's bow. Wakanda. And then I take my little beauty blender. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Gotta, every time I fucking open this, it's a risk of dying. Going back to that Zulu palette. And I'm gonna use this green right here. Or is this turquoise? I'm gonna use this color. Shoot. I'm gonna use this color with a brush like this. With a brush like this. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on my waterline. If I can get this open, hold on. Every time. And what I'm gonna do, pull it down with the pinky finger. And don't poke yourself in the eye now. And you swipe. I like to do my eyeliner last. Some people say it's weird, but I don't like using a lot of this. That's like all I use. And it's another matchstick by Fenty. See, there's a pattern in my life. Rihanna, Fenty, Puma. Sponsor me. Are there any makeup palettes that you guys want me to try out? If so, put it in the comments below and I'll think about buying it and doing a review on them. I'm using my steel eyeliner. Can you even see that? An intense black. You can't tell me that my eyeliner ain't killing these hoes. You can't tell me that. My camera about to die and it bet not die on me. When I do my mascara, I like to look down. Now it's time for some highlighter, and I'm gonna use, obviously, Fenty. The Fenty Diamond Bomb How Many Carats. So I like to use a brush like this. It's real soft. And just dab it on one light corner. And boom.